Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to backward channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty. Keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited. And may you continue to enjoy like this, I mean. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet, handmade, hand-knitted handbags designs ideas collection. Beautiful handbags, beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, very amazing, different, colorful, handmade, hand-knitted handbags designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you. Today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. But remember, pray and Allah Hafiz. Good luck. Take care.